Drivers don't just want speed from their ultra-high performance tires anymore. They expect sharp handling, stability, and the ability to manage all that horsepower. That's why what's inside UHP all-season tires is so important for you to understand as a dealer. Let's talk more about that next. The UHP all-season tire segment is beginning to shift. More and more, buyers are looking for everyday practicality alongside that performance. That means longer tread life, quieter rides, and comfort in daily driving. It also means safe traction on wet roads and light snow when weather conditions turn. Construction, compound, and tread pattern are what make this balance between performance and comfort possible. Manufacturers are developing these tires with reinforced belts and sidewalls to help these tires handle the stress and powerful vehicles and even heavier EVs. High silica tread compounds improve rolling resistance, mileage, and wet grip, giving drivers efficiency, longevity, and safety in one package. Tread designs balance agile handling with real-world needs. These modern UHP all-season tires feature sipes that add bite in the wet and snow, stable shoulders for cornering, and grooves deep enough to move water and resist hydroplaning. EVs are driving even more change in this segment. Rolling resistance directly impacts range, while instant torque puts extra strain on the tread. Stronger constructions and advanced compounds allow UHP all seasons to carry that added load while still delivering responsiveness. At the counter, the key is connecting this technology to the benefits your customers really care about. Talk about stability they can feel, confidence in wet conditions, range and efficiency for EVs, and comfort for long commutes. When you explain what's inside these tires in terms of real-world outcomes, you shift the focus from price to value. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.